Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing mint margarita. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of your favorite silver tequila, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Don't forget half an ounce of simple syrup to balance the flavors, and approximately 1 cup of ice to chill everything perfectly. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's infuse those wonderful mint flavors. Take your fresh mint leaves and gently muddle them in a cocktail shaker. Be careful not to over-muddle, as this can make the mint bitter. Just a few presses are perfect to release their aromatic oils. Next, pour in your 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and half an ounce of simple syrup. This combination forms the delicious base of our margarita. It's time to chill and combine everything beautifully. Add about 1 cup of ice cubes to your shaker, ensuring it's nearly full. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for a good 15 to 20 seconds. This not only chills the drink, but also properly mixes all the ingredients. Once shaken, strain your perfectly chilled mint margarita into a salt-trimmed glass filled with fresh ice. A fresh mint sprig and a lime wedge make the perfect garnish. And there, you have it, your very own refreshing mint margarita, ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is designed to create one perfect serving, ideal for a relaxing moment. Feel free to adjust the amount of simple syrup or lime juice to match your personal taste for sweetness or tartness. You can also experiment with different types of tequila to discover new flavor dimensions. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.